Thank you so much. So, this is my very, very first time in Korea. I'm super excited, but the truth is, I only know 3 words in Korean. For a long time, I had a Korean stepmom, and we had a pet dog. And these are the only 3 words that I learned while I had that stepmom and this dog. The 3 words were 앞두리요. That's one. 냉장고. And the last one, 아깝다. I hope that those 3 words are enough for you to welcome me back again sometime soon. I promise I'll learn a few more words the next time I'm here. I even learned a new one today. 사랑해! I love you guys so much. It means so much that you're here with me tonight. This next song is a song off of my new album, Super 8. It's about, do any of you guys ever make up stories in your head? I think we all do it. Sometimes, you know, like making up stories about your crush. Like, oh, I wonder if they like me. We all do it. And this is a song called Movies.